guys, what's up? So today we're showing the top and best stereo trees for iOS 11, 12, and 13 of 13.6. The first tree is called Carrier Crack Global and enables hidden features, introduces new features, amplifies cell signal, amplifies data speeds, and more. This tree is called Summer and package consistent of more than 60 mods. This tree is called Cloaky, iOS 11 and 13, and basically this week, cloak annoyance items. This is called Sleepinizer for Safari, iOS 9 to 13. Convenient, faster browsing with gestures. This is called Better Alarm. Add a beautiful timer and alarm screen. And this is called YT Status. Displays the status bar on YouTube when the pause screen is on. This is called No Typing Indicator 12. It blocks the type indicators from showing in iMessages. You can still see others typing, but they will not see you typing. This is called App Store++. Allows downgrade apps in App Store, block updates, bypass 200 megabyte down limit, disable search ads, and disable app thinning. This is called Siri Unlock. Allows Siri to access sensitive data when your phone is locked. And for example, read last text messages, show notes and contacts. This is a bit of scary degrading tweak. No option to configure, it just works. This is called Keros2, which I see Keros3 also. Makes it easy to schedule messages to be sent at specific times with options to have messages repeat to send on certain days of the week. Schedule repeating messages be sent between a range of times to appear less of a robot sending messages. So, pretty cool. This is called Location Service, CC Support. You can turn on off location service from Control Center. So, pretty cool. This is called CC Linker. This tweak will let you navigate to the respective settings for the Control Center module by using gestures. This is called Wi-Fi List, and basically you see all the Wi-Fi passwords you entered on your device or no device if you have iCloud. You can even create a QR code for easy sharing. This is called Good Wi-Fi, Better Wi-Fi Preferences. Removes RSSI limit, show no networks, show MAC address. This is called Music Lyric, and basically fetch lyrics on music, Spotify title, Pandora, and lock screen. Fetch in background with the best performance, no lads, so pretty cool. Gives you basically the lyrics. This is called Dynamic Timer, and will dynamically change the timer sound between stop playing and a ringtone. If there is any music playing, when the timer goes off, it will stop it. Otherwise, it will play the ringtone you set up in the settings. This is called White Point Module, Control Center Module, to toggle the reduce white point functionality. Long press, force touch to change the intensity. This is called Screenshot Actions, copy latest screenshot to the clipboard and delete it. Upload screenshots directly to Imgur. Share screenshots. This is called Swipe to Delete Contact. Simple swipe to delete in contact. This is called Flexin, open flex anywhere. This is called Host Block or Host Blocker Toggle Beta, disable enable host from the Control Center. This is called System Pro, adds a new button to the text selection menu which helps you look up your text you selected. It's really useful when you need to look up the definition of a word or want to look up pictures for something. You also look up something at all. You look something up, anything up. Also with the translate feature. This is called Vol Skip 11. Skip tracks and play pause with volume buttons. This is called Power Cuff. Expose access to hidden power throttling modes for better battery life. This is called A Bypass. Bypass short detection. This is called Confirm Pasteboard. Allow or deny apps accessing the clipboard. This is called No Clipboard for You. Prevents apps from accessing your clipboard. Configure from settings. It's called Liberty Light Beta and bypass jailbreak detection. This is called Secession. Restore without updating via root file system DMG. This is called CC Ringer 13. Also Control Center module. This is called FU Gap, and basically get rid of the ugly gap at the top of the Control Center. This is called UPIP, which is picture-in-picture, so enable picture-in-picture native YouTube app. And probably one of my favorite tweets called UHB, iOS 10, 11, 12, iOS 9, 10, 11, 12, untrusted host blocker, system-wide ads blocker. So, pretty cool. This is called Spotify autoplay. By default, when you open Spotify URL externally, only track URL will be autoplayed. This allows you to achieve similar behavior of playlist, album, radio, artwork, chat URL. This is called Com Center patch, carrier bundle verification bypass, dependency for carrier crack. I used to use it to restart the Com Center due to lost connection. This is called Cocoa Top, show CPU, memory usage, etc. for processes and apps, and allows you to terminate, kill processes and apps. This is called Tweak Restrictor. Tweak allows you to disable all tweets and apps such as PayPal or Snapchat in order to prevent bans when in a jailbreak environment. Does not bypass jailbreak detection, even though it could. It's called Roadrunner. Roadrunner excludes the current now playing app from being killed when the spring board restarts. So you can play music, and then when your phone does respring, the music will still be playing. And this week is called Keyboard ACO. This week makes the global key always switch between the first and second input modes for your keyboard settings. This is called System Info. Show extra device and battery information and save blobs from settings. This is called NFC Unlock. Unblock NFC shortcuts automation for iOS 13. iOS 7 or newer devices are required. It's called Atom Reborn Priority Hub for iOS 13. This is called Minitar. Notifications in your status bar. Makes it easier than ever to access all your notifications from anywhere in iOS. It's called Groupie, and basically refresh your notifications with Groupie. Seamless integration and features keep it classy and functional as iOS is supposed to be. This is called Insta Launcher 2, and system-wide application launcher allows you to swipe from the device edges to straight launcher of your choice. Get these features right here. This is called Sneaky Cam. Discreetly take a photo, video, or record a video from anywhere, even with your screen off. It's called Spy. We always knowing friends, girlfriend, wife. Let our phone check her photo, make urgent calls or play a game, and open your photos, conversation, even notes. It's must have tweak for situations. Speed phone easily integrated. So basically, all open apps are logged, and you see the time they use them. So you can see like what your girlfriend, wife, friend, whoever is on your phone and what they go into. And you can disable certain features, disable apps are on launch. So you basically, when you're spy mode, when someone's on your phone, then you can disable certain apps from like them accessing. So pretty cool. Called Watermelon, Apple Watch style lock screen for iPhone with widgets and more. So you guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.